Hi, my name is Abby.
Hey, my name's Tyler.
And I'm Jack.
My name is Daniel Inman, and today I'll be talking about my own major here at Ohio University, which is occupational health and safety. Occupational health and safety, or industrial hygiene, you can go both ways. It means that you're protecting the health of workers. And so the program here is a part of the College of Health Science Professions, been here for about 30 years. What we were taught here at school, we have four major tenets. It's anticipate, recognize, evaluate, and control hazards. And so these hazards can be environmental factors that affect health, they affect safety, they affect comfort, and the productivity of workers in the workplace. And so we break down these hazards into chemical hazards, which can be gases and vapors or liquid chemicals. We break this down into biological hazards, which are bacteria and viruses. We also have physical hazards, which is noise and heat. We have ergonomic factors, which is doing the same motion over and over, and then you can get tennis elbow or arthritis. And so we anticipate and recognize these hazards by going to school. We use our knowledge, we use our experience in the workplace to figure out what we're looking for. Then we evaluate it with different tools and instruments here at the university. We learn how to use them here at the university. And then we have to control it by going back to OSHA regulations and saying what is allowed and making sure we keep it as low as possible so it never hits the allowed or what's allowed. So in order to do that, we use engineering controls, which is taking the worker out of the equation. We fix it before the worker is even affected by the hazard. And then we also have administrative controls, which means I won't make you work 8 hours next to some terrible chemical. I'll make you work 4 hours instead. And then there's personal protective equipment, means we'll put it on the worker, but that's the most risk because workers can sometimes take it off or it's just not as effective as removing them from the hazard. And so I'll be graduating in the spring, and so I like to talk about career opportunities in industrial hygiene. Today there's about 15,000 workers in our industry, and as I apply for jobs right now, the different industries I can go into are heavy and light manufacturing, laboratory, insurance. I can go into corporations and office work, government agencies, healthcare, utilities, transportation, trade, gathering resources. So there's jobs out there. They're all over the place. But as coming out of school, entry level job, I'm at the bottom of the ladder. So in order to jump up the ladder, I have to get certifications. So certifications in our major, you have to get experience first, and then you take an examination. And then let's say I pass the exam, I want to be a certified industrial hygienist. You can be a certified safety professional. You can be a certified construction safety technician. There's a lot of different certifications that you can get to yourself to bolster your own resume. But this is continued membership, and so you have to constantly continue your education. You're paying dues also, but this tells an employer that you know what you're doing, but you're also pursuing more. You're going the extra step other than other people. So, like I said, today there's about 15,000 safety professionals. The median salary right now is $70,000 if you don't have any certifications, and then once you get certified, it can jump up 20,000. And so it's really a motivator to make sure you keep on continuing your education. Fingers, we don't want anybody to go home or not go home to their family in that case, and so we bring safety to the workplace. We connect workers to management so that they can all collaborate. And so the management, they want production to stay high. Workers, they want to be kept safe. They also want production to be high, but you got to make sure that they come to a conclusion and they all agree on these things. So I'm Daniel Inman, and that was my speech on occupational health and safety.